If given an option, would you like to give us a try? No. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're watching this face for the first time, then hi, my name is Mamta. I make videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Saturday वाली कभी-कभी miss हो जाती है, but yeah, Wednesday and Saturday probably. And without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So there is this trend going on the internet where you send a quiz to your crushes and then you react to it. And I thought it is some irreversible damage, so I should do it. Like literally, I came across these videos last night and I made a form today morning. I sent it to all my crushes, recent crushes, or the crushes I remembered. And I have the responses and I'm going to share it with you guys. So I have all the responses here because I'm shooting from my phone. So I'll be seeing the reply from my laptop. So before I start with the video, I just want to mention that I have crushes every now and then. Like legitimately, मेरे crushes बहुत जल्दी change हो जाते हैं. जल्दी change नहीं होते. मुझे crushes हो जाते हैं, फिर उनके season चलते हैं, like 2 महीने, 3 महीने, and then I just get over them, and then the feelings fly away. So I made out a form, and the form said that if you have received this form, then at some point in my life I have had a crush on you. So please fill it out. It would be a great help to me, and I send them individually. Group बनाने का तो कोई मतलब बनता नहीं था. First thing is name, age, how do we know each other, and such questions. So we are not going to talk about them. Like we are not going to reveal their identity. I am going to give them Bollywood references like Shah Rukh, Salman, Kartik, ऐसे, ठीक है? And I have received, like I have sent this to 11 people. Yeah, 11 people, and I have received 10 responses. So the first person is Shah Rukh. Okay, he's 24 and we know each other from college. So I asked him the question that, do you know I have had a crush on you? Then he said yes. Then I asked him, did you ever like me? He said yes. And then I asked him, rate my attractiveness. So the first option is eh, and the last option is you are cute. So somewhere between eh and you are cute, he gave me 9. And then I said, rate my personality, to which again I said eh, you can make heads turn, to which he gave me 10. For like 10. मतलब like college में if you will meet me outside my YouTube space, you might not like me because I'm extremely simple person, and I'm not bragging it like oh I'm very simple and everything, but I am actually, I don't give a fuck kind of a person, because I literally wear baggy clothes. I go wherever like in a messy bun, or I don't wash my hair for 4 days. Yeah, so you know, even in that situation he gave me 10. Then I asked him, did you ever come to know that I have had a crush on you? Now this question, I know most of the people would say yes, because I do not shy away from my feelings. If I have a crush on you, somebody, I just go and tell them, hey, I have a crush on you. Okay, so yeah, this question I think most of the people would be saying yes. Then I asked him, what do you think about me? And he said, you're a passionate lover. How did he know? And then a dearest friend to all. Okay, you give your 100% to everyone. A photogenic face. This is told by, like, this is one thing, that you are very photogenic. You are very photogenic. This has been said by, I guess, zillion people in my life to me, because pictures match nahi karti hain face se. So the best way to say that you don't look like your picture is you're photogenic, and you can lure anyone. No, I can't. I mean, I'm single, and everyone with your calmness, your attitude, and you will be there for individuals. Okay, I'm not very calm person, but okay. Then I said, if given an option, would you like to give us a try? And he said maybe. Okay. So the last question is, anything you want to tell or say to my YouTube subscribers? And he said that, see, everything she posts, it will be worth your time, because it's never is irrelevant. And this is such a sweet thing. I mean, I was expecting ये optional है, तो like optional नहीं था, ये शायद mandatory था. या पर मुझे लगा था कि कुछ खास नहीं लगेंगे, बट दिस इज सो स्वीट, दिस इज स्वीट. ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट फॉर्म. The guy's name is Salman. He's 24 and we know each other from college, and I asked him, do you know I had a crush on you? Yes, obviously. Did you ever like me? Yes. Okay. Then rate my attractiveness 7. This is like genuine reply. 7. Rate my personality 8. Okay. Did you ever come to know that I have had a crush on you? Yes. Obviously, मैंने खुद ही बताया होगा. Then what do you think about me? You are a cool, good-looking, nice to talk with friend. My interest lies somewhere else, so sorry for those answers. Which answers? This is the answer which did hurt me. If given an option, would you like to give us a try? No. No. This is somewhere genuine reply. नहीं भाई देना ही नहीं है, chance ही नहीं देना. Anything you want to tell to my subscriber? She's really cool, must follow and give her a page a try, guys, for cool stuff she comes out with. This is sweet. Like, even though if they are not even interested or they don't have any intentions to pursue a relationship with me or anything, they are still very genuine. Okay, this one is from the office. Like, we were in different projects. We came to know each other from a common friend who is not a friend anymore. His age is 26 and his name is Jackie Bhugnani. Okay. And then how do we know each other? Office. Do you know that I have had a crush on you? Yes. Did you ever like me? Yes. Rate my attractiveness 8. Rate my personality 8. Did you ever come to know that I have had a crush on you? Yes. ये first और last question शायद same है मेरा. What do you think about me? Decent. खत्म. Answer खत्म. And then, if given an option, would you like to give us a try? Maybe, you know, if you get lucky, maybe I'll think about you. And the last one, anything you want to tell to my YouTube subscribers? Stay safe, wear mask, don't expect things to change, you be the change. I guess from the way he answered, it's very clear that he's not interested. Okay, the next one is again from the office. Like, I was in Infosys for almost 2.5 years and I had 2 crushes from the office, so do not judge me. So his name is Ranveer. Okay, he's 27 and again, do you know I've had a crush on you? Yes. Do you ever like me? Yes. Rate my attractiveness 8. Rate my personality 7. Did you ever come to know that okay. What do you think about me? Cute. Funny. I'm basically a panda, guys. If given an option, would you like to give us a try? Maybe, again, maybe, you know, we will think, you know. Anything you want to tell to my subscribers on a right path to be a great YouTuber one day? Please like, share and subscribe. Sweet, sweet. This guy, I was not expecting that he would write something like, because yeah, he's a little khadus types, you know, khadus. Okay, so the next one. ऑलरेडी भाई साहब ने अपना नाम दिया है जॉन सीना. अब मुझे भी नहीं पता ये कौन. द एज इज 25. वी नो ईच अदर फ्रॉम अगेन ऑफिस. ओके. डू यू ओके आई हैव 3 crushes in the office. Did you ever like me? Yes. Rate my attractiveness 1. Rate my personality 1 guys. Did you ever come to know that I have had a crush on you? Yes. What do you think about me? Moti. Literally moti. And if given an option, would you like to give us a try? Again, a maybe. Anything you want to tell to my subscribers? ये बिक गई है government. Okay, this one is really funny. Again, इन्होंने भी अपना नाम anonymous दिया है क्योंकि email mandatory नहीं था, तो they played really safe. Age is 24. We got to know each other from online platform. Do you know I've had a crush on you? Yes. Did you ever like me? Yes. Rate my attractiveness 10. Rate my personality 9. What do you think about me? You are cute, seems like a sweet girl, also beautiful, or can say beauty with brain. In short, simply amazing. Wish we will go on a date someday. Oh. This is weird. The next question is, if given an option, would you like to give us a try? He said maybe. Maybe रखना ही नहीं चाहिए था. Anything you want to tell to or say to my subscribers? That do ask your friends to watch the videos, like, share, and subscribe for more. Like most of the people are very sweet to say such nice thing about the channel at least. मेरे बारे में तो maybe. Okay, this one is again from college. Age 23. Then, do you ever know I've had a crush on you? Yes. Obviously, Mamta, खुद ही बताती हो तुम. Did you ever like me? Yes. Rate my attractiveness 10. Rate my personality 10. What do you think about me? You are great. Okay. And the next question, would you like to give us a try? Maybe. Maybe. You know what is the irony of my life? When somebody asks me something, I always say maybe. Maybe. I know how frustrating it is right now. Anything you want to tell to my YouTube subscribers? Guys, do like and subscribe to her channel. There's again this one from college. Oh my god. Oh my god. Then age 23. Okay, how do we know each other? Then yeah, college. Do you know I've had a crush on you? No, thank God. किसी ने तो बोला कि नहीं पता था. Did you ever like me? Yes. Okay. Rate my attractiveness 10. You're cute. Rate my personality. You can make heads turn. What do you think about me? You are awesome with a heart. Okay. Again, if given an option, would you like to give us a try? Maybe. Anything you want to tell to my YouTube subscriber? Mamta is a self-independent and a great girl. Okay. This one is a senior from college, like BCA wala college. He was a very popular personality in our college, and yeah, he was from college. He's 26 right now. Do you know I've had a crush on you? Yes. Did you ever like me? No. Rate my attractiveness 8. Rate my personality 9. What do you think about me? You are very straightforward, confident. Okay, confident, which is the best quality a person can have. If given an option, would you like to give us a try? Maybe. Now, इनका maybe बोलना समझ में आता है because he said that no, I never liked you. Maybe I can try to like you, but I don't like you. But बाकी सबने जिन्होंने बोला that they like me, but you know relationship के time में relationship commitment issues. Anything you want to tell to my YouTube subscribers? Go follow her fast, guys. Nice, sweet. Again, very genuine. Last from the office. Age 26. We know each other from office, and his name is. मैंने name दिया ही नहीं किसी को ना. His name is Karthik. Okay. Do you know I've had a crush on you? No. एक दो लोग हैं जिनको मैंने नहीं बताया. Did you ever like me? Yes. Rate my attractiveness 7. Rate my personality 7. What do you think about me? You are a really wonderful soul, working hard for your passion. Really admire you the way you are. But there's this one side of you which is always depressed and worried. Don't you think you can get rid of it? Okay, I guess he was like very close friend when I was in Hyderabad, and I used to discuss a lot with him. So I guess that's why he's saying that I was very depressed and worried all the time. So if given an option, would you like to give us a try? No. Straightforward, no. Anything you want to tell or say to my YouTube subscribers? Keep following the channel, you'll never regret it. This is an amazing person out there making all these videos. Oh, this is sweet. This is sweet. Nice. And with that, the embarrassment is done. क्या करना पड़ता है ना YouTube subscribers and likes and comments के लिए? Just kidding. Do subscribe, guys. The final verdict of mine is that, you know, people like me, but they don't want to be in a relationship with me. People generally ask me, how can you be single, Mamta? How can you be single? And I guess I have answered this because most of the people like me, but they don't want to be in a relationship with me, or they are like, maybe we'll give you a try. Maybe. I think most of the people may have selected maybe because उनको लग रहा होगा कि, you know, this is a form she's doing for fun. But video बन जाएगी इसके ऊपर का idea नहीं होगा किसी को. So that's it, guys. That was my embarrassment, sending my crushes a quiz and getting a lot of no and maybe. Yeah. that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down on this video. Do let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you next week. Bye.